Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Let's start our part 3 from the tenses, that is future tense. Future tense is also categorized into 4 parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Future indefinite tense is used to refer to action that will take place after the act of speaking or writing, means that will be in the future. हमारे कहने बोलने से पहले बाद में जो काम होता है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी विल गो टू पेरिस टुमारो. आई एम गोइंग टू रीड न्यूज़ पेपर टुमारो. So tomorrow, next week and next year, these all are the time signals. Let's coming to the how to write it. Will plus infinitive. I will play, I'll open. Question, will you play? Will he come? In the negative, I'll not play. How to use it? The future simple is used to predict things about the future. I think it will snow tomorrow. When we take the decision at the moment of speaking, the phone is ringing. Okay, I'll answer it. These are some examples. Here we have future continuous. The future continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the future. The future progressive is used to refer to continuing action that will occur in the future. क्लियर, जो फ्यूचर में होने की संभावना है, मीन्स इफ़ वी आर श्योर अबाउट द थिंग विल हैपन इन द फ्यूचर, और समटाइम्स वी आर नॉट श्योर बट वी हैव द थिंकिंग, है ना, देन ऑल्सो वी यूज फ्यूचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई शैल बी गोइंग आउट एट 8 टुमारो मॉर्निंग. Time signal tomorrow morning from 7 to 9 tonight. These type of time signals can be used here. How to write it? Will be plus verb first form plus ing. As we know, verb ing is being used with the verb first form. For future we use will or shall plus be. Why we are using be? Because will or shall also require a first form to complete. Then we use will plus be as a first form plus verb first form plus ing. I'll be playing. Okay. Will you be playing? I'll not be playing. How to use it? The future continuous is used as usual to introduce the idea of an action lasting for a certain time. I'll be working in the morning. In spoken English, to express more an idea of probability than a real future. I told earlier, probability is also focused. She will be watching television. I imagine, है ना, I hope, I think, I imagine. So these type of probabilities also can be used in the future progressive. Clear? Then we have future going to. How to write it? Am, are, is going to plus infinitive. I'm going to play. I'm going to play, it means I will play. अगर मैं जा रहा हूँ खेलने का, इसका मतलब मैं खेलूँगा. Then we also using going to form. Clear? I am going to play, you are going to come, he is going to write. How it will become the question? Am will become in the beginning, means the helping verb will become the subject. Clear? And the subject place it will come. Am I going to play? Are you going to come? Is he going to write? Negative. I am not going to play. You are not going to come. He is not going to write. How to use it? The going to future is used when we can see the future in the present. Look, it's going to rain. अब हमें इसका जो संभावना है वो हमें प्रेजेंट में मिल जाती है ना. देखो, ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे बारिश आएगी, है ना. तो संभावना जो है वो प्रेजेंट में बन जाती है, बट इट विल अकर इन द फ्यूचर. देन वी यूज टू टॉक अबाउट इंटेंशंस. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ हॉलीडे नेक्स्ट वीक. वो मेरी इंटेंशन है कि मैं अगले हफ्ते हॉलीडे लेना चाहता हूँ, जाना चाहता हूँ ना, व्हाटसोएवर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव सम एग्जाम्पल्स. देन वी हैव वर्कशीट. कंप्लीट दिस न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट. Use will or going to. We have learned this week that the local council has planned for website park in the Brickfield. The council is going to sell the land to a builder. Forbes and Sons, the plans are all ready. We are going to build 50 houses, said Mr. Forbes. In 2 years time everything will be finished. I'm sure people will like the houses. In this way you can complete this worksheet. Take the screenshot and work on it. Future perfect tense. The future perfect is used to refer an action that will be completed sometime in the future before another action takes place. कुछ काम के होने से पहले कुछ हो गया हो. We shall have arrived at Surabhi tonight. So time signal, by next week month, by the end of this day, these type of the signals will be used here. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense is used to indicate a continuing action that will be completed at some specified time in the future. By June 2007, I shall have been working at this office for 3 years. अब बेटा फ्यूचर भी है, मीन्स शेल. परफेक्ट है हैव प्लस बीन, थर्ड फॉर्म. हैज़ और हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म होता है. यहाँ पर फ्यूचर में ओनली हम हैव यूज़ करते हैं. हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म. कॉन्टिन्यूस बिकॉज इट इज़ वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. क्लियर. सो द टाइम, कोई भी ऐसा काम जो स्टार्ट पहले से हो चुका हो गया हो ना, हम सोच रहे हैं ऐसा होगा कि ये काम हमारे, पहले तो हमने फ्यूचर की बात करनी है कि ऐसा होगा, है ना. बाय जून 2000 आई शैल हैव बिन वर्किंग, मैं वहाँ पर काम कर रहा होऊंगा. एट दिस ऑफिस फॉर 3 months मीन्स ईयर्स, तब तक मुझे वहाँ पर 3 साल हो गए होंगे. तो तीनों चीज़ें वहाँ पे क्लियर होनी चाहिए. कुछ फ्यूचर का भी इफेक्ट है, पहले से स्टार्ट कर दिया काम, इट मीन्स परफेक्ट भी है. अभी तक कर रहा होऊंगा मीन्स या 2007 तक अगर मैं करता हूँ तो मुझे 3 साल हो जाएंगे. कर रहा होऊंगा, इट मीन्स ऑल्सो दिस इज इन द continuity. Clear. So by the end of 1990, these type of time signals can be used. Here we have complete the letter with the correct tense. Now all the tenses are being used here. All the many thanks for your letter. I am very sorry I haven't written for so long, but I have been very busy and we had exams at the end of the month. Now this is a mixture of the whole. Take the screenshot and work on it. Each and everything, it will be clear in this worksheet. Then we have some activities. Okay, these type of activities you can make and paste on in your room so that it will be easy for you to use it. Here one more, what did they do? Okay, this also you can take the screenshot. See. Okay, so it will be your worksheet. See, take the screenshot and see what they are doing. All the names are being captioned here. Captions दी हुई हैं यहाँ पर, ये कौन कौन है, and accordingly you have to give the answer in this. Now you can take the screenshot. Thank you and have a nice day.